Imagine a world where your brain operates at its full potential, where learning is effortless and retention is second nature. In Limitless, Jim Kwik unveils a transformative approach grounded in the Limitless model, emphasizing mindset, motivation, and methods as the three fundamental pillars. The journey begins with mindset, the belief that your brain is not confined to predetermined limits. Kwik challenges you to reprogram your thinking by rejecting the LIs, limited ideas entertained, that often plague us, such as self-doubt or the misconception that age hinders learning. By embracing the mindset shift of "how can I?", one opens the door to possibilities, making room for growth and exploration. Yet a powerful mindset alone is insufficient. It necessitates motivation, which Kwik defines as a dynamic interplay of purpose, energy, and small, simple steps. Purpose breathes life into your actions. Understanding your why becomes your guiding star. Simultaneously, nourishing your brain through adequate sleep, nutritious foods, and hydration fuels your energy levels. Lastly, the action becomes achievable by breaking ambitious goals into small, manageable steps. This incremental approach allows for steady progress, seamlessly integrating the pursuit of knowledge into your daily routine. Methods form the final pillar, presenting you with practical tools to master your learning journey. Kwik highlights the importance of focus, advocating for techniques like the Pomodoro technique to combat digital distractions while maximizing attention. Speed reading is introduced as a method to accelerate information consumption, encouraging the reduction of subvocalization and embracing chunk reading. Memory techniques further enhance retention through methods like visualization and the memory palace. These exercises shift the landscape of learning from sheer memorization to engaging interactive processes. In essence, the Limitless formula becomes clear. Limitless binds mindset X, motivation X methods. Each pillar meticulously supports the others. When aligned, your growth potential expands exponentially. Committing to invest in your brain transforms it into your greatest asset. Small, consistent actions generate profound results, reshaping your relationship with knowledge and learning. Remember, your limits are learned behaviors ripe for unlearning. In today's fast-paced world, acquiring the skill of learning how to learn becomes the ultimate advantage, setting the stage for unfathomable achievements.